How to clear all lens data on cloud storage on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. First step is to open Snap. Then when your Snap it's open, as you see its camera, you go here on your profile icon, then you click. After this, you go here on settings and click again, and then you will have a list of options. You will just go down and you go to lenses and you click, then you go to clear all lenses data. Here you click like this, then they will tell you if you are sure to clear lens data. You will say just yeah, I'm sure, clear, yeah, and you click and it will work with you, and that's it. So see you next video.